Hello. Question 26. Switch HW closed from long time, higher than fire time constant. When switch open at time t equal to 0 second, find the value of dvc upon dt at t equal to 0 seconds. As shown in the figure, switch HW closed from long time. So inductor acts as short circuit and capacitor acts as open circuit. So we redraw the circuit here, and inductor current ILT in steady state equal to 10 upon 2 equal to 5 ampere. When switch open at time t equal to 0 second, we redraw the circuit. Here current ILT equal to 5 ampere and ICT also 5 ampere. So at time t equal to 0 plus second, dvc upon dt equal to ICT divided by C capacitance. This equal to 5 upon 0.1. This equal to 50 volt per second. So our answer is dvc upon dt at time t 0 plus equal to 50 volt per second. Okay, thank you.